Babs. Here, babies. What are you doing, mister? Come here. Come on. You're not getting that, so just come hither. You're so dumb, cat. I swear. Sometimes I wonder if you have a brain. Well, damn, babe. What? He was fast as fuck. Hey, what the fuck are you doing? What's up, Alberto? He was fast as fuck to get in here. Baby. Why is it trying to do it that way? How the fuck? I'm doing what I do. Well, I appreciate the 400 biddies. How you doing? Okay, or you know, not shout out. That's cute. Stupid fucking computer. Hi, Spartan. See, that was quick. Got a Speedy Gonzalez that shit. My cat lay down. Away from me. Away from me. Fucking little bastard. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna go over here, Mom. Alright. I could take one of them, too. Fuck. What the hell? I was losing everything today. I still have today's fucking rings. That's cute. Holy fuck. I'm gonna get high off my bag, man. For real. That shit is so strong. Ew, fuck you too, Chubbs. Little bastard. Hey. Sir. Excuse me. You're not getting it. Do you want your ass beat? Do not fuck with Mama's chocolate. Following for a month, 2 days, 14 hours. Not bad, not bad. 3 days, 8 hours watching. Sheesh. Don't even think about it. Chubbs, I will punch you. Right in the dome. That's what I thought. You fucks ain't going up by my goddamn shit. Last cat that went up there fucking knocked my shit off the dresser. I'm good. Next cat it does is warranting a death wish. Huh? We haven't got this map yet, have we? Something shitty.
Team deathmatch. Neutralize all threats.
Oh, so pretty.